Masala Mama here. Let's make chicken fried rice. It's one of my favorite dishes to make for my family. I will post the ingredients on the screen. For this recipe, you're going to need green onions, green chilies. These are very mild green chilies. They give a lot of flavor, but not so much heat. And I'm using some frozen veggies, and this is 1.5 cups of boiled chicken, and this is chicken breast. I like a lot of egg in my chicken fried rice, and here I have 4 eggs. This recipe uses only 2 seasonings, salt and white pepper. Just remember, white pepper is very spicy. It's also important to remember to have everything chopped up, ready to go, because it doesn't take very long to make it. My rice is set to the side. It's set to boil. And we're going to heat up the oil, add the chopped green onions, add the chopped green chilies, and just saute for about 1 minute. We're not browning any onions, we're just sauteing them. And then we're going to add the chopped chicken. You can chop up the chicken into as big or as small pieces as you like. Add your salt, add your white pepper. The white pepper is quite spicy. My finished rice dish is very mild, so if you want it to be a little bit more spicy, you can add more white pepper. For this recipe, I always use the frozen mixed vegetables that I get from the grocery store. If you are going to use fresh, make sure that maybe you boil them for about 10 minutes before you use them. Otherwise, they might just not cook very well. And we're going to saute these for about 3 to 4 minutes. Next, we're going to make some space in the center and add a little bit oil because now I'm going to add the beaten eggs. It's really important at this point that you don't mix everything up. I added some salt to flavor the eggs. And now it's really important that you don't mix everything because if you bring all the vegetables inside the eggs, all the vegetables get coated with the egg and you don't get any individual egg pieces. So on very low heat, you're going to just move your spatula back and forth and you'll see scrambled eggs being made. Some of the eggs you will see sticking to the bottom. That's fine. It's normal. Once most of it is made, like the eggs are mostly cooked, you can bring in the vegetables and mix all of that. At this point, you can take your spatula and taste for seasonings. Because we're only using salt and white pepper, we have to make sure that the salt content is just perfect. Our chicken mixture is done and we are going to turn that off and keep it to the side. We're boiling our rice. I did put half a teaspoon of salt in it to boil it. Your rice should be about 80% done. One way to tell that is you take a grain of rice and you press, and if it breaks in half, it's pretty much 80% done. And now since both of these items are basically cooked, we're going to turn the stove on, put it on the lowest heat possible, and put one of these heat distribution plates. And then we're just going to put the pot on top of it. It'll distribute a really low, even heat. And we're going to cook the chicken and the rice in dum. So you can strain the rice and pour on top of the chicken mixture. And really, it's up to you. If you want more rice, less chicken, more chicken, less rice, you can adjust that after you've made it my way. And now this is cooking on dum. Please read caption. You will leave it on dum for 15 minutes and then you're going to turn it off and let it sit for 10 minutes before serving. Honestly, this smells amazing. My kids used to love eating it just like this. You can serve it with like shami kebab, but today I'm going to be serving this with some barbecue chicken wings. These are barbecue wings by Zabiha Halal. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram by the same name. Watch Masala Mama.